Yeah, I really like to put dhania and spring onions, even in like other upma too. I just like it. We're going to lunch. We're grabbing momos.
Looking back at the good times.
I'm going to have momos.
I saw that. I saw when you were coming over there.
We think that these are probably some of the best momos in Toronto. I'm really excited.
I never got this hot sauce before.
Yeah.
Where's he been hiding it?
A broken trust got you haunted. The doubt in you was enough to leave me chasing you on and on. But I don't care, I will let you in.
I washed my shirt. Now you can see my bra, which is perfect. It's so hot. We just finished at Loba's Corner, which has us sweating anyways because the merch is so good.
I don't know what it means, but there's a smile upon your face, and I see something shimmering in your eyes. And they say if you wanna glimpse the future, you need space. And you You said you'll put down your morning guns. Would you follow me to wander?
It's probably really hot.
Take some of the best of things to find.
Yeah?
The textures are just amazing.
Oh my gosh, thank you.
Oh, I love it.
Do you? It's something so different. Like I don't usually make soup like this.
I love the texture. Everything is like just melting in your mouth. And good idea of removing these chickpeas.
The skin, yeah.
It does add that beautiful texture.
I posted it to my Insta story. Like the chickpea is just so nice and smooth, and it just melts in your mouth now. That skin is not there to hassle you. Oh, thanks so much.
I find it hard to not give in.